Oh, hello, mate.
Hello, Calvin.
What have you been working on your place, mate?
Oh, mate, we've had a mare.
Do you know what? This is the first video I've done over here.
Yeah.
And you've been here for months.
Probably not a good starting video either.
Why?
Because whoever opened the door absolutely bust a hole in the wall.
Oh.
Yes.
When?
Earlier.
Oh, what the...
Look at this hole, Calvin.
Oh.
I didn't look at the wall after your sofa was moved in.
Was it you?
Not me. Not me.
I think it was him.
I mean, it could have been the guys who lifted the sofa in.
Yeah.
Or it could have been the guys, or the bloke that supervised the moving of the sofa in.
Oh.
Oh,
No.
Who would that be then?
No, it wasn't me.
Well, it was one of yours. It was either you.
I don't know. I didn't actually see it until after you had come in.
Oh.
But then,
That's bad.
you know, they're moving the sofa in. It don't take a lot
gone.
for that door to get moved up against that wall.
Yeah, it's got to be that, isn't it?
It's not like it's been painted or anything already.
No, it's not like this room was nearly done.
Yeah, and not like I'd just finished the coat of paint on the hallway.
Oh. That's
Now
bad.
we've got a great big hole here and a great big hole the other side.
And you're moving in a few
And
days.
then you just walked in with an air fryer and nearly done it again. Bust through the door.
I was excited to see you.
Look, come and have a look at what I've got on the... Look, I've got filler
That was my
everywhere
bad.
now.
What?
I've had to put this bit of wood on the door
Oh. Oh.
to stop it from hitting because it's that knot. Look.
Anyway, I've got something to cheer you up.
Go on. It better be good.
It is good.
It better be.
What year are these?
Is it the lottery numbers?
It's not, but it's quite dark in this little hallway.
Okay.
So I need you to do your job.
Yeah. Go on, I'm
I know I'll be your best friend.
alright.
So I'll wait for you to come in here. Looking nice in here though.
Yeah.
Is this where all the magic happens? Yeah.
Yeah, something like that.
Not
Bedroom's
yet.
nearly done.
Anyway, do you know you love chocolate
Yes, I do.
and you know you like oranges,
Oh, yes.
right?
Chocolate oranges, they're the best.
Yes, they are the best. So first of all, they had the orange, chocolate orange,
Yeah.
and then they had the
White. The
white
one.
chocolate orange.
Then I had a crispy one.
Yeah,
They're little ones, they come like this big. Then.
and now
Ooh.
a mint.
We're meant to be. You drive me cocoa.
Can I have a look?
We're meant to be.
Ooh.
I'm not opening it on there. 'Cause my sofa's turned
This
up.
is your yes.
Brand new sofa's turned up. And it's in the bedroom and Paul needs to paint the ceiling.
Oh no.
But there's no other rooms to put it in at the moment. So we're having a nightmare today. But
So you can do your little review on it.
this is
Let us know.
This has cheered me right up.
Let us know what it tastes like.
Do you want to try some?
Do you know earlier I was in Co-op and I bought some clubs, some orange clubs.
Oh, the old school ones.
£1.20 for 7. Next to it, mint clubs, £2.70. Same size bars, same.
Oh, it smells good. Maybe the mint's more expensive.
Oh, do you want to do that little trick? Where's the thing? I've done it ages ago on the video. Do you remember to make it a share size? That isn't just for throwing in a bin. Do you remember?
Right.
So you put that on there. Put that on there for me because I can't do it with the camera.
I thought that was just the packaging.
No,
It doesn't do nothing.
that's it. And then you put that on there. So then you and your wife can do that. There you go, Keely. There you go, Sam.
Or I can just eat the whole lot.
And just have a nice stand for it.
Paul! I think his name's Sean.
Sean.
Sean! Yes. Do you like chocolate?
Sean's mates with Matt as well. He was telling me earlier.
Look at my belly.
He's mates with Matt.
No,
He used to go fishing.
Come try this chocolate. I keep calling him Paul. I wonder why I didn't reply earlier. Well, that's nice.
Let me taste a
Don't
bit.
get a figure like this from eating lettuce, mate.
Have a go on that. Mint.
Oh,
Mint Terry's
Mint
chocolate
tri-
orange.
Nah, sorry, mate.
Do you want the rest of it?
Reminds me of After Eights, doesn't it? Like
Yeah.
what you used to get in the
When you
Indian.
mentioned chocolate, you mentioned orange. I thought he's got some Jaffa cake rum somewhere.
I love a Jaffa cake.
Jaffa cake rum, mate. It's a thing.
Is it?
Honestly, have a look. Tesco's in Bognor.
Another one of them.
Sainsbury's in Bognor.
Jaffa cake rum. Do you drink it?
Has
Nick?
anyone tried Jaffa Cake rum? Let us know if anyone else has tried Jaffa Cake rum.
That looks like an absolute disaster at the moment because you got me halfway through.
I've caught you halfway through. All right, out of 10.
Let me try one more bit.
They taste like after eights.
Yeah, that is unreal.
10.
I'm going to give it an 8.
Okay.
Ready for Christmas. Bad boy. Boom.
And I bought that Iceland. I'm sure
Did
you
ya?
can get it in other shops as
We
well.
got that Iceland.
Yeah.
Love that.
Right.
I'm going to have that for the rest of my my filling experience.
Okay, mate. Love you. Bye.
Thanks, Calvin.
Bye.
Love you.